How to hide or unhide activity status on REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide or unhide your activity status in the REDnote app. It's quick and easy, so without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening the REDnote app and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are in the profile page, simply tap on the settings. And once you are prompted to the settings, simply tap on the privacy settings and you will be prompted to the privacy settings section. And once you see the interface like this, look for the second option labeled activity status and simply tap on it. And from here, you can easily hide your activity status by simply tapping on the third option, or you can simply make it visible again by simply again tapping on the first option. Just one click and you are all set. And that's it. Now you know how to manage your activity status in the REDnote app. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.